Hey, what's up, everybody? You're looking at flooded farm fields, and can't really walk any further to get out unless I walk around all these trees. I don't want to do that. Well, I might. Anyways, the water's still rising, I think, and it's coming from the Ohio River. It'll probably come up a few more feet, if I had to say, if I say my best guess. But right here, right about over there is where I do my normal videos, and as you can tell, it's completely flooded. Well, I don't make all my videos there, but you know what I mean. The ones where I have fires and stuff. Alright, let's go walk over here for a better view. Hey, look, it's dipshit. Hey, dipshit! Wasn't expecting that, dude. Yeah, that's a little special appearance by homeboy Leeroy. But oh damn, there's a road right there. If you can just tell about if you saw that car just go by, right there. There's a road and it's almost flooded. I'll show y'all that some other time. But right about there is where I have my other videos, and in those woods with a big finger monster. Ah. Anyways, oh yeah, check that out. There he is. Yeah, see, there's a bridge. He's going over a bridge. It's almost flooded. It's almost flooded over. Well, I'm gonna go meet up with him. Maybe make another video. Alright, guys. I might see if we can go out on a boat or get the RC boats out or something. Until the next adventure. Peace.